What's up guys? Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we're going to be learning about minor scales. Now a scale is a set of ordered musical notes. There are different types of scales. We've got major scales, we've got minor scales, we've got pentatonic scales, and we've also got other types of scales as well. But in this lesson we're going to be focusing on minor scales. Now, there are three different types of minor scales. We've got the natural minor scales, we've got the harmonic minor scales, and we've also got the melodic minor scales. In this lesson, we're going to be focusing on the natural minor scales. Now, major scales and natural minor scales are related. They are like brothers and sisters. Now, what do I mean when I said that major scales and natural minor scales are related? Well, I'm going to explain what I mean now. Now, let's take the C major scale. So the C major scale goes like this. Now, every major scale is made up of 7 unique keys. So the C major scale is made up of these 7 unique keys: C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. The 8th note of every major scale is just a repetition of the first note. So in this case, the 8th note of the C major scale, which is the key of C, is just a repetition of the first note, which is the key of C. So, what do I mean when I said that major scales and natural minor scales are related? Well, here is the answer. Each major scale has a natural minor scale that they both share the same set of unique keys. So, for example, the C major scale is made up of the unique keys of C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. There is also a natural minor scale that is made up of the same set of unique keys that the C major scale is made up of. So that's what I mean when I said that major scales and natural minor scales are related. So each major scale has a natural minor scale that they both share the same set of unique keys. Now the A natural minor scale goes like this. Now, I know I haven't taught you how to build a natural minor scale yet, but we are going to learn about that in this lesson. But just know that the A natural minor scale is this. So that is the A natural minor scale. Now, the A natural minor scale is made up of the unique keys of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. See that? The last note of the A natural minor scale is just a repetition of the first note. So the same set of unique keys that the A natural minor scale is made up of is the same set of unique keys that the C major scale is made up of. Therefore, the C major scale and the A natural minor scale are related. So each major scale has a natural minor scale that it is related to. That is, each major scale has a natural minor scale that they both share the same set of unique keys. Now the question is, how do you build a natural minor scale? Well, in order to build a natural minor scale, there are 2 methods that I'm going to teach you in this lesson that you can use to build a natural minor scale for any key. The first method has to do with making use of the knowledge of the relativity between major scales and natural minor scales. The second method has to do with using the formula. I'm going to teach you both methods. So yeah, let's start. So let me teach the first method first. So let's say we want to build the D natural minor scale. So in order to do that, the first thing that we can do is that we can find the relative major scale that is related to the D natural minor scale. So that is, we can find the major scale that is related to the D natural minor scale. And once we've found that major scale, then all we need to do is just to play that major scale starting from the key of D and finishing at the key of D. So in order to find the major scale that is related to the natural minor scale of any key, this is what you're going to do. So starting from the key that you want to find the natural minor scale of, you're going to count up by 3 half steps. So in this example, we want to find the D natural minor scale. Therefore, we're going to count up by 3 half steps, and whatever key that we land on, the major scale of that key is going to be the major scale that is related to the natural minor scale of the key that we want to find. So in this case, the key of D. So yeah, let's count up by 3 half steps. So 1, 2, 3. So we landed on the key of F. Therefore, this means that the F major scale is related to the D natural minor scale. So what does this mean? Well, this means that the D natural minor scale and the F major scale both share the same set of unique keys. So in order to build the D natural minor scale, all we have to do is just to play the F major scale starting from the key of D and finishing at the key of D. And that is going to be the D natural minor scale. The F major scale goes like this. The D natural minor scale is gonna go like this. So all we did was we played the F major scale starting from the key of D and finishing at the key of D. Now let's do one more example. Let's say we want to find the E natural minor scale. So we want to find the E natural minor scale. So the first step is to find the major scale that is related to the E natural minor scale. So in order to do that, we're going to count up by 3 half steps. So 1, 2, 3. So we landed on the key of G. Therefore, this means that the G major scale is related to the E natural minor scale. So what does this mean? Well, this means that the E natural minor scale and the G major scale both share the same set of unique keys. So in order to build the E natural minor scale, all we have to do is just to play the G major scale starting from the key of E and finishing at the key of E. The G major scale goes like this. that is the G major scale. Now the E natural minor scale is gonna go like this. So that is the E natural minor scale. So all we did was just to play the G major scale, starting from the key of E and finishing at the key of E. Now the other method that you can use to build a natural minor scale is by using the formula. Now just to remind you, whenever you move from one key to the next key without skipping any key, that is known as moving by a half step. So for example, if I move from the key of E and I move to the key of F, then that means that I've moved by a half step. But whenever you move from one key to another key and you skip one key in between, then that means that you've moved by a whole step. So for example, if I move from the key of E to the key of F sharp, then this means that I've moved by a whole step because I moved from one key to another key and I skipped one key in between. So in this case, I moved from the key of E to the key of F sharp and I skipped the key of F in between. I'm just defining these terms because we're going to be using these terms in the formula for building a natural minor scale. So yeah, so in order to build a natural minor scale, there is a formula that we can use. So for example, let's say we want to build the E natural minor scale. So I'm going to use that as an example again, just to show you that by using the formula, we're going to get the same answer as we did by using the first method. So let's say we want to build the E natural minor scale. So starting from the key of E, the formula goes like this. So we take a whole step, and then we're going to take a half step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step, and then a half step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step. See that? So that is the E natural minor scale. We got the same answer using both methods. Now, let me do one more final example. So let's say we want to build the D natural minor scale by using the formula. So starting from the key of D, the formula goes like this. So we're going to take a whole step, and then we're going to take a half step, and then we're going to take a whole step, and then we're going to take a whole step, and then we're going to take a half step, and then we're going to take a whole step, and then we're going to take a whole step. See that? So that's it. That is the D natural minor scale. So yeah, that's it for this lesson, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.